Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Hypercharge Pro Power Bank Wireless Fast Charger review. So, you might be wondering what is the Hypercharge Pro that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, Hypercharge Pro is a multi-device fast charger designed to charge up to like 4 USB powered device at the same time. Now, according to the official website here, it uses what we call quick charge technology together with smart power management to automatically adjust the charging output for each connected device. Now, the charger is compatible with smartphones, tablets, wireless earbuds, smartwatches, gaming controllers, and other USB powered electronics. And according to them, is designed as a plug and play device with no setup required. Now, one of the main features is the ability to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously without manually selecting charging modes. Now, the company also states that it includes automatic power balancing, battery health protection, overcharge protection, and a passive cooling system to help regulate temperature while charging. Now, according to the manufacturer, the charger can also deliver charging speeds up to like 4 times faster than standard chargers, depending on your connected device and whether it supports compatible fast charging standards. Now, using Hypercharger is quite straightforward. You just need to plug the charger into a wall outlet, connect your charging cables to any of the available USB ports, and then plug your device into the cables. Now, the charger automatically detects each device charging requirements and adjusts the power output accordingly. Now, once the device reaches a full charge, the company says the charger reduces air or stops power delivery to help prevent overcharging. Now, in this case, no apps, no software, or additional configuration required here. Now, the official website here currently offers promotional bundle pricing here with discounts up to like 65% off, free worldwide shipping, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, that's according to them. Now, currently, one Hypercharge Pro here is priced at around $39.99 from its original pricing, $79.98. They do offer, like what I said before, bundle options here like 2 Hypercharge or 3 Hypercharge with around $99.99 and $139.99 accordingly. And they do provide free shipping. Now, that's essentially what Hypercharge or how Hypercharge works. It functions as a smart USB charging hub that automatically distributes power between connected devices while incorporating features such as adaptive charging, overcharging protection, and temperature management. Now, the manufacturer advertises features like intelligent battery protection and faster charging. Now, in this case, if you're interested in this product, doing your own research is always recommended, and this applies for any products that you're buying online. Now, looking at reviews, information from sources outside the official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value out of your money. And if you have any questions about this product here, you can go to the official website and visit their contact page here, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.